Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at the lows right there, and then the fact that the price was able to get back up around here, any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made a very solid bounce on the day. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.60. So why is 260 important? Well, let's say that the price comes down here, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to 260, break below it, and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, you'd have the price literally right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back here a little bit, behaves like this, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined and quantified as $2.60. Now, on the flip side of things, where are some of these levels of resistance at? The main one that really stands out to me is just this downtrending resistance line right there. You can see now at this point in time that on 3 separate occasions, this line here has basically knocked down the price. I'm not saying the price can't get above that area or anything like that. I'm just saying, apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight up above that trend line there and get the trend line break. If it can break through there, the next key overarching level will be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great night, great bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.